Now the next one, and this is the final one for the main sort of set of tenses, it is the point in the past. And this is used when you're describing one point in the past. So think about I ate, I spoke, I lived, etc. Right? It's one point in time. So these ones are a little bit more irregular and they're a bit more annoying, but they're not as bad. Okay. So for adverbs, for the I form, you take off the R and you put e. And this time the stress will go to the ending as well. So I spoke would be hablé. You take off the R from hablar and put hablé. For he, she, she formal, it's o. And this time the stress goes to the endings. And notice how it's not hablo, because hablo meant I speak or I'm speaking, right? But here in this case, we're saying habló. Okay. Now for you informal, for the point in the past, for adverbs, you take off the R and put aste. So hablaste or presentaste, etc. And then for we, it's amos. So you take off the R and put amos, and it's the same as the present tense. So hablamos means we speak or we are speaking, and also we spoke. Okay. And so based on context, you'll know which one it is. And then finally for they or you guys, it's Aaron. You take off the R and put Aaron. So hablaron. And that's how I say they spoke or you guys spoke. Okay. Finally for erir verbs, the I form, you take off the erir and put I. So I ate would be comí, or I lived would be viví. For he, she, it's you formal, it's yo. So it's vivió, comió, etc. That would mean for he, she, she formal, ate or lived. For you informal, it's iste. So take off the erir, put iste. So you get comiste. For we, it's imos. So comimos, vivimos, which by the way, vivimos is the same as the present tense, just like we saw. And then finally, for there, you guys, you take off the erir and put hierron. So vivieron, comieron. Okay, so that's almost every single tense gone through. Now, and by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.